Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson we will be installing our IDE. So the IDE that we will be using to write the code for our application is Visual Studio Code. So let's download the IDE and install it. Let's open up our web browser. Then we search for Visual Studio Code download. And then we select this link, code.visualstudio.com. Okay, and then we select the debian file for Linux. And wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so now let us install Visual Studio Code. Okay, and now let's verify that Visual Studio Code has been installed. Okay, so as you can see, Visual Studio Code has been installed successfully. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.